Alright guys, so in this video we are going to learn about premium and discount zones. What is a premium and a discount zone? So I am going to give you an example. Let's say that you want to buy a house, right? And the prices are very high, okay? But you know that the prices are going to be lower in the future. So are you going to buy the house at a very high price, or you're going to wait for price to lower down and then you buy? Of course, you're going to wait for price to lower so that you can buy it at a discount, if that makes sense. Similarly, whenever we want to go long, all right, we should always be buying at a discounted zone. Now, how do we find a discounted or a premium zone? Now, let me give you an example for premium zone, all right? So let's say that you bought a house at a very low price. Now you want to sell it. Of course, you are going to sell it for a higher price. Okay? You don't want to sell it at a lower price because that's gonna, it won't be profitable for you. So that's why when you are going to sell your house, you are going to sell it at a higher price. Similarly, when you are about to short, when you're about to take a short position, you should be waiting for the price to come up at a premium level so that you can sell it, if that makes sense. All right, you want the price to be higher in order for you to be selling it. So first of all, let me give you an example for a discounted zone. All right, so as you can see, price went up right up to this level. All right, so you can see price made a very huge move from this point to this point. All right, from this to this. Now, are you going to buy here? Absolutely not. If you are a trader, you should know that you should never be buying at around this level. Okay, you should always be buying at a pullback. Okay, so how do we determine a discounted zone? Well, what you want to do is you want to pull out your Fibonacci tool. All right, you go to the settings here, choose Fib retracement. You want to start from the very low of that push to the very top of that push. All right, and then you want to, first of all, you want to copy these settings. All right, you can pause the video right here and you want to copy these settings. Now, when the price is below the 50% level, then the price is considered to be in a discounted area. I will repeat, when the price, as you can see, when the price is below the 50% Fibonacci area, then the price is considered to be in a discounted zone. That is where you should be buying, all right? Now, I will not tell you how to exactly enter in this video, but this is what I am telling you, all right? Just for the sake of this video, that you should always be buying when the price falls into the discounted zone, all right? So as you can see, price pushed up from this point to this point. You should not be buying here or here or here, right? You should be waiting for price to fall down into the discounted zone, which is below the 50%, as you can see. And then this is the best area to be buying, okay? Let's talk about premium zones. So as you can see, we made a move from this level to this level, all right? We dropped down heavily from this point to this point. So similarly, we are going to draw our Fibonacci retracement tool from the very high of that move, from the start of that move, sorry, to the end of that move, which ends here. Okay. Now you don't want to sell here. You don't want to sell here. You don't want to sell here. you should be waiting for price to come back into the premium zone. Now, what is premium zone? Whenever price falls or goes, sorry, not falls, but whenever price goes into the premium zone, which is above 50%, all right? So whenever price goes above the 50%, then that price is considered to be in a premium zone. Now what does that mean? It means that this is a great area for you to be selling, okay? Now, you don't want to just blindly sell off when price falls into the, falls above the 50% or below the 50%. There are certain criteria that we should be discussing in the upcoming videos. But for now, all you want to know is what are discounted and premium zones, all right? So for price to be considered in a premium area, you should be waiting for the price to go above the 50% level of the Fibonacci. All right, so now this area is the best area to be selling. So if you sold here, all right, you could have made a great profit. Like this could be 1 to 2 risk reward. But of course, this is hindsight. But this is what I'm telling you, right? You should always be selling at the premium zone, and you should always be buying at a discounted zone. So I really hope that this video is clear, and I really hope that you know what is premium and discounted zones. So we are slowly moving towards our main strategies, but there are 1 or 2 more videos before we move to those beautiful life-changing videos, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video.